Hey, hi friends, good morning. So today we are going to learn how many types relation. So yesterday we have seen the what is the cardinalities and how many types of cardinalities then we have to learn. Okay? Yeah, today's agenda is this one. One. Yeah, now just I am going to load again the data. So before that, then I will do one thing in the option, file option. Go to the option and settings. Go to the option and just to go to the data load. Just auto detection. So I am untick this one. So because of if the same names are both table, then it will automatically detect. So but this is I disabled because of now I am giving to the auto detection how it will form. So I will go to the Excel over BA practice file. This is the relationship. Yeah, employee project one and next one is the project company project hours. Yeah, transform data. Yeah, this is the only the same yesterday what we have done. Just I am doing this one, so don't worry. Removing the this is the proj and this is the and there is no error. There is no empty data. Okay, here also there is no error. There is no empty data. Okay, so now what I will do. So in the practice file, then just I open the this relationship file. Okay, yeah. Here just I am project. I'm changing the name to the proj to project. So because of if the only the two column names are same, then only it will auto detect. Otherwise, it will not detect. So that is the reason. Just a refresh file. Go to this one and refresh file. So you observe here. This is the refresh preview. Refresh all. So refresh preview, whenever you refresh preview, only this particular whatever you table you select, the table only it refresh. For example, you have a lot of data. For example, you have a 10 tables in the model, like in the power query. So that time, for example, if you change anything in the source in the Excel, for example, in the Excel you have changed something, whenever you go and refresh here, refresh all, it will take time to refresh. Okay, that is the reason. Just whenever you select this table and go to the review refresh, just you click the preview because of only this single data set only it will refresh. Okay, so it won't to take much more time. Yeah, you see this is only the two columns, only this particular table only refreshed. So now project, so earlier is only proj, so now this is the common column and this is the common column in the project. Okay, now I am close and apply. When you push into data into the Power BI desktop, you may see here in the field section what are the data sets here. Okay, and you may see the this is the report tab. Already you know this is the data tab. Okay, in the data tab what is the columns you have in the table. Okay, this is the project, this is the priority. Okay, and the second is the project hours one. This is the project code and submitted by working hours and project. Okay, yeah, you may see the here relationship. So here did not form the relationship because of I am untick the auto relationship. So okay, there is no relationship now also. Okay, now I am going to first one is the go to the model, and just here yesterday we have seen the new relationship, forming the new relationship. Now I am clicking the auto detection. You see, when I click in the auto detection, there is a same columns in the two tables. That time it automatically found one new relationship, found one new relationship. Okay, you see, why? So the here the projects and here the project in the table company project to having the project column, and in the table project hours having the project. So two are the same name columns. So that is the reason when you click on the auto detects, and then it detected, the Power BI has detected, okay, in the project hours table having the project column, and that is matched to the company projects to the project column. So that is the reason it is detected auto. When you see, this is the minute one, this because of this is the fact table and this is the dimension table. So every time the dimension table to the fact table, this is the symbol. So from here to there, because of whenever the direction is dimension table to the fact table every time, because of this is having the many of the columns, here only the unique columns. So that is the reason whenever you asking the question, so only the one question, so it may be the he given this results. So every time fact table will give the results, okay, it will search the all the table and it will give the result, okay. Yeah, this is the reason. So for example, project our yesterday we have seen the, just again we have create a ask to the one like one table, okay. So just same thing yesterday what we have done. So it is the project like priority wise working hours. You see, you will get the correct result because of we have formed the relationship, okay. When you go and then just you go to the value and you increase the size, okay, font size, okay, this is a 19, and go to the header totals and you increase this one, and you see the column header, okay, you may also you increase this one, okay. Now you see the, we able to see priority wise working hours. Yeah, we have get the correct result. So now here you see only the many to one relationship, but so what is the cardinalities? Whenever you, when you click on this one, so this is you formed by mistakenly, for example you have connected the some other relationship, this project to the project. When you click on the, how you know the relationship? So when you click here, this is the, here you see whenever you clicking this one, you observe here, this is the projects, this is the project and this is the project. So in the project hours project column, it's related to the company project to the project hours. This is the relationship, many to one relationship, okay. When you click on this one, you know the which column related to the which column in the which table. So like that, because of in our real time scenario we have lot of tables. Here only I am taking the two tables, because of when I select the lot of tables you may confuse, so which table to which table connection. First you understand the what is the concept, okay, how it will form the relationship, and how we detect the auto detection. So if you want to detect auto detection, what are the requirements? Okay, for example, the system has to be detect, when you go to the file option, go to the option and go to the, just tick that one. If it is a, when you are loading the data into Power BI, at that time it will detect the auto detection. So just you know the fundamental, okay. Yeah, okay. Now I unfortunately I given that this is the wrong relation. After I am preparing the report, this is correct result, but assume, so this is the wrong relationship. So how should I delete? I close entire file and then again I will connect. Is there any option to delete this one? Understand? Can you able to see?
Yeah, yes, you can click on that button and delete it.
Yeah, correct. When you click on this double click, okay, where is this one delete option? So when
Then
you,
right click.
yeah,
Yeah.
correct, right click, okay. Yo, when you go to this one and then you delete, okay, the relationship has deleted. Again you want to form and go to the, if you are perfect into this one, this is also one way. So this is the one way, go to the manage relationship and go to the new, this is the first, and this is the second is auto detection. If the column names are same of the both table, that time it will auto detected. This is the second way. Third way also is there. For example, if you have the very perfect in the modeling, then you just you select this project column and drag into this project column. You see, whenever we click here, you see this is the project column, this is the project column. Same, this is the project column, this is the project column. This is the project column, this is the project column in the same table. So when you are perfect, otherwise, for example, I'm showing you how you the mistake. For example, I drag and drop. So which one is your project one, because of the column is same. Sometimes what happen, this is project column and coming to the priority, that time okay, just we have given the relationship and go to, we create the visual, so that time you may get the wrong result. So your team lead or architecture or your testing people, they will intimate you, actually we are getting the wrong result. So can you let me see the, go to your modeling part and then you will see. Okay, that time then again you will go and you will concentratingly, yeah, okay, yeah, I have did mistake here, and then you delete this one, again you give the relationship. So like that. Okay, yeah. So this is about the relationship, how to create the relationship and how to delete the relationship. So next one is the, here you observe, this is the cardinalities. Cardinality, what is the cardinality? How many cardinalities we have? Okay, here you see this is the cardinality, and this is the single direction. So what is the, here you see here both direction, what is the single direction and what is the both direction, and what is the cardinalities and how many types of cardinalities, then we are going to learn. Okay, now you see the cardinalities is nothing but these are the four types of cardinalities. Okay, so why we require the cardinalities? For example, we have an a like okay, I'm opening the Excel. Cardinalities, yeah. You see here, you see the dimension employee table. In the dimension employee table, for example, employee ID, this is the common column, this is the fact table. Okay, in the fact table also employee ID is the common column. In the common column in the fact table, for example, working as a employee A, employee B, employee C, so they are working in the multiple projects. So for example, employee A has the employee IDA working as a, for example, X project, Y project, Z project. Okay, multiple, because of that is a fact table. Okay, so dimensional employee table is only the unique, only the employee is the unique one, but that employee has to work on the multiple project, that is possible, but in each employee only the dimensional employee table only the unique one. Okay, did you observe? Here you see the star nothing but many. Okay, here you star nothing but many. So here many to one relationship, first one, and many to, sorry, many to one relationship, this is the, this is the one to one relationship, this is the one to many relationship, this is the many to many relationship. So when we form this many to many relationship, when we form the one to one relationship, okay, then we will see. Here you observe, this is the, whenever we click on this one, it automatically form the one to many, because of the system has no, this is the many and this is the one, because of here there is no duplicate values. Whenever you table having the duplicate values, it automatically many to many relationship. So that time then you will get the some error, you will be see just a little bit later. Okay, but so this you see, from dimension employee table to fact table, so how it will form the relationship here? Here only the one relationship na, you see this here only the unique one, this is the foreign keys, so this is the duplicate one. So that time here one, this is the one. Okay, so this is the many. So here forming the many to one relationship, because of this is direction from here to this one. Okay, you see this is the direction. Did you observe this one? This is the many to, sorry, one to many relationship, because of this fact table having the one. Okay, and here from this table to this table, this table to this table is the forming the only the one to many relation. Here the many of the, here many of the columns, so it is a duplicate one. Here only the single one, that is the reason here we forming the one two. one to many relationship. Okay, one to star nothing but many. So this is the technical word star. So one to many relationship. Okay, I think hope you clear what is the one to many relationship. If you clear, type yes. Let me, if you clear or not. Yeah, yes. Okay, awesome. I need everyone. We have only 8 members. Okay, yeah. This is the one to many relationship. So when we form the many to one relationship, here only the same table. I am taking this fact table. Okay, and this is the dim customer table. This is the right side of the table. Okay, in the dim customer table having the unique keys. Okay, a b c. Because of customers only the unique, only one customer has to purchase different items in the fact table. For example, this is the, if you assume this is the customer sales table. Okay, but this is the unique id. So whenever we forming this unique id, okay, then he will get the names and address and everything it will bring. Okay, when you form the this relationship to this relationship to this relationship. Okay, yeah, that time then we will get the result by using these two column common keys. Then we will find this either customer name, either address, either first name or last name, whatever. Okay, but the common column must be should be same. Okay, these are the employee id or the customer id. Okay, here employee id is the duplicate keys, here only the unique keys. So that is the reason why then you see the, then you see the, this is the one to many relationship. One to many relationship. Okay, one to many relationship, because of here only the unique keys. Okay, so that is the reason this is the one to many. So when the fact table left side dimension table is one to many, if the dimension table is the right side of the this fact table, it is the many to one relationship. These both are the same. Okay, so similarly both are the same, because of it is the left side, this is the one, it is the right side, this is the one. So many is the fact table. Okay, yeah. Now, so one to one. So when we form the one to one, so one to one nothing but, for example, if you take the only dimension tables, employee dimension table, for example dim customer table and dim location table, so that time only it form the one to one, because of both are the unique one. Both are the unique one, so there is no duplicate one. So that is the reason here unique value, and this is also unique value. Okay, so that time it will form the one to one relationship. Okay, understand this one. So this is the dim customer table. For example, this is the dim location table. In the dim location table, having the only the location ID is the unique one. Here customer ID is the unique one. Okay. So that time, so it will form the one relationship, and here it will form the one relationship. So totally this is the one to one relationship. So one to one relationship basically, when you start the business, when you start the business, and that time only it will form the one to one relationship. In the real time scenario, you may not be see one to one relationship. Rarely you will be see the one to one relationship. Most of the times you use the many to one relationship. If sometimes if you want to one two three four tables, if you want to one table to third table or fourth table, that time it may be many to many relationship from one table to second table and second table to third table. So that time then, that is also it is not a perfect one. But I'm saying you, if may not be other column key the first table to last table, that time it will form the many to many relationship. But only the in rare cases only one to one relationship will form. So no need to worry about this one to one relationship. Now we are going to the now many to many relationship. So many to many relationship when we form, here you see the, here having the many and here having also many, that time. So that time then it will form the many to many relationship. Okay, you see here, here For example, employee fact table. Okay, employee fact table is the having the duplicate keys. Here department fact table, department, it is also one of the fact table having the department. So here in each department having one employee id, you assume. So a b c c, okay, all they are doing the multiple departments. Okay, when the employee id is the fact table is the year, also there are multiple employee ids because of this the fact table. Some of the working hours are some of the project. Okay, there are some of the different table, different departments. If you assume like this is the fact table, this is the one of the fact table. Other, if you assume this is the dimension table, also sometimes in the dimension table also sometimes duplicate keys because the multiple employees working in the multiple projects. Okay, so that time here you forming the, this is the a duplicate, this is the a duplicate. So here this is the many, this is the many here to many. So nothing but star, star to star. So this is the many to many. Here you see the, this is the c, for example. So this is the c and this is the c. So here also many to many form, many to many form. So this is about the many to many. So most of the times when you have the relationship between two tables having the many to many relationship, that time how to avoid this many to many relationship, then we will see. So why, if the many to many relationship is not good one, so then we will see the practically how it will form the many to many relationship and one one to many relationship and many to one relationship, one to one relationship, many to many relationship. These four relationships, then we will see in the practical. Okay, yeah, now we are going to, again I will select the some more tables into this model. Okay, yeah, now I'm going to transform data. Just I will connect again one more tables. Here you will see the, you just see the one to many, one to many is the default direction, is the single direction. And also second thing is the, here you want to see the directions. Here you see this is the direction. When you see this is the, I did not select any cardinality here, I did not select any single. So this is the default cardinal is the many to one, this is the cardinality. And cross filtering is the single cross filtering. Okay, this is one default one. For example, the interviewer may ask, so if you don't give any cardinalities and if you are creating a one relationship between one table to another table, that time, so what is the cross filtering and the, what is the cardinality? So many to one is the cardinality, cross filtering is the single direction. So what is the single direction, what is the bidirection, just I will let you soon. Okay, yeah, this is about single direction. You see here, one to many, it is the default direction and the single direction, but we can make a both direction and a bi-direction. And we can, for example, you see the I am giving the both direction, then here you see the, here observe, this is the both direction from here to project table to this table and this table to this table. Here you see the, this is the both direction. Okay, here you observe this is the, but we can make it by direction or the both direction, it is possible. Okay, so now just you click this one and this is the single direction, will get the correct results. Okay, now you see this is only the single tick here, only the direction is this one. Now this side from dimension table to the fact table. Okay, but this is the possibility to do, this is the both direction. And second is the many to one, this is bi-direction, it is a default direction is the single direction. Here also when you see the, this is the, for example, I am giving the many to one, many to one, sorry, one to many. So you see here the cardinality selected is a valid relationship, then that time you will get the some relation other table, then you will understand. Okay, just I am explaining, this is the theory, then practical, then you will see. And when you see the one to one relationship, this is the direction is the both direction. When you when you select the one to one relationship, you will get the by by or both direction. Okay, we cannot make it single direction. When you have the one to one relationship, only the by direction. Because of this is one is the one table and one is from the another table, so that time we may not give the single direction. And last final is the many to many relationship. So by default direction is the both, because of this is also many to many. That is the reason this is the bi direction, but we cannot make it a single direction. Just you understand this is the how it will work, then we will see. Okay, this is like then the same table I have given here. Okay, in the word, this is the meaning. So now we are going to form the this table. Already we have the project table, and then project 2 table. Now I'm going to budget table and employee role and company employee. Okay, then I'm selecting the go to the transform data. Already I'm in the transform data. Just go to the new source and go to the excel, and then go to relationship. In the relationship file, so what is the file I want to budget file, employee role, budget. This is the uh, budget file, and then employee role, and then company employees. These are the three. What is this cardinal? Yeah, the same excel file. Okay. Hmm. Okay, I'm selecting these three files again. Just I will show you the, just to theoretically I explained this is the many to one relationship, one to many relationship, many to many relationship, and one to one relationship. But now we are going to see the practical how it will form. The first table, okay, the second table, okay, the third table, I think we may, this is only the, we want to only the three columns. Okay, and remaining other columns we remove, and we remove the blanks also. Yeah, yes, you see the, there is no error, there is no empty, there is no valid, sorry, 100% of valid data. Okay. Yeah, employee role, this is also only two, but I am removing other columns and remove the blanks. Now you see the 00. Okay, and company employee. Okay, here also you see this is the, you remove the blanks. Now here it is not a column row header, then I am going to keep a first row as header. This is submitted by, this is the project by, this is the, this one. Okay, actually I am going to, before that just I am going to click here. I think it will work or not, we will see. I think some my system also auto detecting or not. Just I'm clicking here, you see this is the, here I am giving the, this is the way to you. Yeah, here I'm giving the path direction. Okay, what is the auto detection? So then you will go your power bi and detect by automatically the file option, go to the operation and setting, and go to the operation and go to the current file, and go to the data load and give the relationship tick. Okay, this is the way, the same thing. Just I gone through this file option setting and data load, and then is the auto detection. Now I'm clicking okay. If it will work, then when I close and apply, then it will detect the auto detect. We will see if it is detecting auto or not. Yeah, now we have how many tables now? We have the 5 tables. So company employee table, company project table, and employee role table, and project hours table, and project budget table. Okay, so this type table you will see in your real time scenario. So you may confuse when you open this one, when you open this one, when you open this one, when you open this, a lot of columns we have, and we have to create some measures also. Okay, so when you see this carefully, then you will understand the business. Okay, so the which table having the how many columns, which table having the relationship, although then you will understand. Okay, yeah, now I'm going to the modeling tab. Yeah, you see this is the, You see, observe here only the. Hmm. Did you observe this one? Okay, not this not okay. So here only the project two table. This is the like fact table. Like this is the many to one relationship. Okay, not this one. This is the, I think this is the many to many relationship. Just this is only for wantedly I'm doing. So don't do because of this I'm explaining you how to form the relationship here. Okay, just I'm forcefully doing the where how to form the one to one relationship, many to many relationship. But if you in your project, then that maybe automatically detect the relationships, so no need to worry about the relationship. Only the few of the peoples will do the relationship. It is a like technical lead or the architecture or the team lead. Okay, those people only do the relationship because of they may have the super experience on that relationship forming. So you may not do, I hope you may not be going to do the relationship all those things. Just you understand when you creating the visual. So the in from which table to which table you want to take. For example, if you creating a one measure, so then where you take the sales table, from which fact table you want to take the sales table, and which dimension table you want to take the dimension column. So that time only you want to understand. Okay, now you see, this is the fact table, this is the many to one relationship. Then I will removing this deleting this relationship. Okay, I don't want to. This is the company project hours to company. But now you see only the one relationship here. What is this one relationship? One, many to one, many to one. Then you understand this one. Only the we have formed one to many relationship here. Okay, one to many relationship. But I want to many to one relationship and one to one relationship, many to many relationship. How it will form, then you will see. Just you see, this is the when I'm creating this project hours. So this project hours, you see this is the error. So this is the many to many relationship forming. So why it will forming the many to many relationship in the company employees and this project hours? Anyone guess? Whenever I'm trying to connecting this company, sorry, project hours one project keys to this project hours to company keys, I am getting the many to many. Why many to many happening? Okay, because of in when you go to the transform data, company employee having the ching chong ching chu, this is the both duplicate columns. So when you removing this duplicate, then you will get now there is no many to many relationship. You see this now. Sorry, submitted, submitted, project to project. Okay, 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 1 second going. Yeah, this one, which one is submitted by? Okay, 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 submitted. Close and apply. The you see, you remove this one, and then here you want to see the second one, the project submitted by company employee submitted by. Okay, yeah, now you see the. Now you see, so when I eliminate the duplicate keys the, so that time only, then it will showing the many to one relationship. Because of this is submitted or many here in the project hours, here only the single subject in the submitted by. So that is the reason then we are getting the many to one relationship. Okay, this is the already detected one to many, many to one relationship. Okay, this is we are forcefully creating the many to one relationship. Okay, yeah, second step is one to one relationship. Now I want to create the one to one relationship. Okay, yeah, projects, this is the up to project to the this project. You see, now this is the approved project is the only the duplicate unique keys, and here also the project column also unique one. So that is the reason then we are forming, when creating the relationship you get the one to one relationship. Okay. Yeah, now I'm going to many relationship. Okay, so when you creating the many to many relationship, employee roles of employee name and the submitted. Okay, employee name with the submitted, this is the submitted, when you get the same error. Okay. Okay, I will click the forcefully. Okay, this relationship has cardinality many to many. This should only be used if it is a expected that neither column employee name and the submitted by contains unique value, and that the significantly direct behavior of many to many relationship is understood. Okay, this warning error you will get. Okay, then you click on okay. Now you see this is the forming the many to many relationship. So this is the way we are connecting the many to many relationship. This is the okay, many to many. So this is the one to one. Okay, this is the one to one, and this is the one to many, and this is the many to one. Four relationships we have seen the in Power BI modeling. Okay, clear. I hope you everyone clear or any doubts. Once you practice that the same file you will take and then you will connect the Power BI, and then you will see how to form the relationship. Then you will understand easily. Okay, the better. Yeah, this is the very important relationship. When you are real time also, just you understand the okay, when you click on this one, then you will see, oh, this is project hours 2, this is the project. When you see that this is submitted by the submitted by, okay, minute to one. When this one see, this is the both direction. And I told you, so when you form the many to many relationship, it is only the both direction. This is the default both direction. When you see the one to one, this is also both direction. This is the default one. Only the one to many is the single direction, and many to one is the single direction. Okay, you see, whenever I'm in documents, I have written
Yes,
only,
sir.
yeah, now table connected with another dimension table. That is the reason why this is the snowflake schema. Just I'm explaining this is how to form the relationship. Okay. Yeah. Now we are going to the next is this next one is the okay. We are having this many relationship. So how to avoid this many to many relationships? How many ways to many to avoid the many to many relationships? Okay. Okay. So the first way is to create the one bridge table. Okay. Can you able to see my screen and voice? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. You see, this is the many to many relationships. Okay. I want to avoid this many to many relationship, which is the not good way. Just I will create a one bridge table. So whenever this is the very most important frequent asked question. Okay. So how to avoid the many to many relationship? That time just simply you say you create a one bridge table and you give you delete the many to many relationship and you form the relationship fact table to the bridge table is the many to one relationship here one to one many to one relationship. Okay, then I will see we will see how it will do. Okay. Yeah, the same thing. First you will go whatever this bridge table if you want to create the bridge table, so you will take the this reference table. You want to select these two because of these are the two tables na many to many relationship. This is the project hours one, employee roles one. First you create the reference table of the both these two tables and you delete the whatever only the employee submitted here employee names. Okay, then how? And the second one, second step, and you append these two tables into single table and you will eliminate the duplicates and the name is the bridge table. Okay, so then again you will change the name header because of this the submitted name here, this is the employee name, so you may not be append these two tables. So now you want to change any one of the table name either submitted by either employee name and you append this table. Okay, now you delete the duplicates. Okay, so once you delete the duplicates only the unique is having the bridge table. Again you close and apply comment here and you do this the many to relationship to one and one to many relationship form. How will form? Then we will go and we will see. Don't worry, here I am giving this all the steps step by step. First you take the reference table from the both many to many relationship table, that is the reference project hours one and then employee roles. Okay, just first step I am following. Okay, this is the employee roles. I'm taking this reference one. Okay, you see this is the reference one. Step by step I'm going, and this is the next one is the project hours one. Is the project hours one. This you want to take the reference one. Reference one. Okay, now second step is what is keep only the key column records and remove the other columns from the both table. What is the key columns in the employee? This is only the employee name, so you want to delete this remove column. Okay, only the this is the employee name. Second table only the submitted by. Okay, remaining are remove other columns. Okay, this is the submitted here, this is the employee name. Now note the bridge table has unique data, remove the other columns of both table. Okay, now I this is the only the key columns is there, but if you want to append these two tables I want to the same column names. Okay, so that is the reason just I selected the employee name here and then go to this employee hours. I'm changing this one employee name. So now this is employee role reference table having the employee name and the project hours reference table having the employee name. Now I'm going to append. Okay, yeah, just I take this one and go to the append as a new query. Okay, then this time then I will select as the employee project hours one. You see now These are the only the employees which we are having the project hours one, employee role one. Now I am going to, this is the bridge table, change is the name is the bridge table. Okay, bridge table. So now third step is to remove the duplicates here. Okay, here you want to remove the duplicates. Now you see only the 11 columns we have. Okay, this is about the bridge table, employee name, only the unique columns. Okay, you see here a project hours table name having the submitted name, column name, and the employee roles table having the employee name. So the project hours table submitted by column name has changed to the employee name. Now both are same. Go to the append two tables and you form the bridge table. You the name is bridge table and load the model only required tables, because of these are the not required tables. Employee reference table is not required, so that is the reason just I disabled this one. Again, this is the disabled one.
Now in your screen,
Oh, okay.
you are disconnected and
I okay, now able to see.
uh, yes, yes.
Sorry. Yeah. Can I explain again, or you understand this is the
Yeah, first one. You can explain starting.
okay? Okay. Then
Avoid how to avoid many to many.
okay. Because of I already this is formed because of this reference table. Okay, I want to delete.
There your screen was no, you are disconnected and connected.
Yeah. Okay. Now you able to see now.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. And not now. Okay. So this is the many to many relationship. Okay. This is the what is this one? Already bridge table formed. Apply changes, sir. Mm, okay, just I will remove this one. Okay. Sorry. Employee roles and employee project. This is a reference table not deleted. Okay. Yeah. Just I'm going to the transform query. Okay. So here you see, here only just what I did here, employee reference table. I taken the one reference table. Okay, this employee roles. Second one is the employee hours. I'm taking the like another reference table, because if I did not delete, now I taking the this reference table, I could not delete this one. Again I will explain. Okay. mm, the project hours only delete, then it will be deleting, otherwise it won't delete. Okay. Yeah, remove these columns. Okay. Yeah, again I'm explaining starting one. Okay. Yeah, you see here, this is the employee role, this is the table I created, the reference table, just I name change the reference table. The same table is having here, and I'm taking the under reference table. Okay. And the project hours one also I'm taking the reference table. Okay, the second step. Second step. So now I'm going to here, you see, where submitted by name column. Yeah, now just I want to keep only the rows, common columns. This is the only the submitted by is the common column in the reference table having the employee name. Only I want to keep these two columns only, remove other columns in the same two tables. Just I want this one only, just remove other columns. Now you see, employee role reference table having the employee name column, and project hours one reference table having submitted column. Now I want to append these two columns. Shall we append these two columns into single column without different columns? Is it possible? What is the rules for append? Can anyone say?
It will append only rows. It will append.
Yeah, okay, but I want to two different column names. You observe here submitted by, and here the name. I want to append these two tables in the single table.
You can merge.
No, no, not merge. I'm going to, because of these are the same employees. These are the same employees. Just I want to append this in top of this row columns. The time definitely I want to the column name should be same na.
Yes,
Yeah, that is the reason. Just either this column name to be changed or this column name, because of the both column names having the main table. Correct?
yes,
Yeah. So now I changed this columm name, project hours, and the reference employee role is the same. So now I'm going to append. Okay. Yes. Go to the combine and go to the append query and go to the append new as a query, and you will select the employee project hour reference one. Just you want to append. So this is the bridge table. Now I form the bridge table. Bridge table. Okay. Yeah, this is the bridge table name. Then I want to remove the duplicates. Now I am going to duplicates, remove the duplicates. You want to say there is no duplicate column here. Okay, so in the next step is here you see append two different single table bridge table and then remove the duplicates, and I remove the duplicates. And next step is now load the data model only require tables. Okay, refer tables not required, disable the table and close and apply. Here you want to see, you don't want to see here, this is the it's not required these two tables. So just I go select right click and then this is the disabled one, already disabled. This one to also disable. Okay, yeah, these two tables are disabled because of when your performance should be decreased when you load the all the tables. I don't require this, not at all. Okay, now I'm going to close and apply. Now you want to see, here you want to see the bridge table formed. Okay, now next step is when you come into the modeling. Okay, you first now m to m many to many relationship between project hours to the employee roles and form the between employee roles to bridge table has to be removed. Okay, now I am going to remove this delete relationship. Okay, and also this is also I want to be removed, this is the many to many relationship. Okay, now I keep this bridge table in between these two tables. Okay, you observe here I am preparing the bridge table in between two tables. Okay, the project hours one and this is the employee role one. I remove these the all the relationship between the project hours one and the employee roles. Okay, and keeping the bridge table here. So now I forming the relationship submitted by name to the employee name. Now you see this is the many to one relationship. Okay, and here employee name to the employee name. This is the one to many relationship formed. So so in the you see here one to many relationship, many to one relationship, one to many relationship. So now you see this is the correct relationship. Now employee name to the submitted by name, here employee name to the employee name. So this is the one to many, many to one relationship. So to avoid many to many relationship, first step is you will take these two tables, whatever the many to many relationship two tables. Okay, you want to take as a reference table, and only the key columns you want to be keep, and other columns should be removed, and you append these two tables into single table as the name bridge table. And whatever the required tables only you want to load into Power BI. So once you come into the modeling, you delete this many to many relationship and this employee role table to bridge table many to one relationship. Then you will keep the this bridge table in between these two tables and give the relationship from this main table to this bridge table. This is the many to one relationship, and this is one to many relationship. This is the way you uh, remove the many to many relationship, and you form the many to one, one to many relationship by using the bridge table. Got it? And also I created one more video for this, particularly only 5 minutes video. I will share you. If you any doubt, then you will go through that video and you will practice. Okay.